y'all, it's your girl Kiki. So I gotta give a little disclaimer. This is not a kids channel. This is an adult channel. I do not make my videos for kids. I am an adult collector that can say and do whatever I want because they are my dolls and my opinions. Okay, enjoy the video. Okay. Bye! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing this Dia from the new Shadow High Series 2 line. Yeah. Your girl did her makeup today because I was feeling a little down in the dumps. But then I got a package, and you know, getting a doll in the mail is the best feeling ever. So yes, we have Miss Dia here, and I am so excited. But you guys can kind of see her, and don't worry, we'll do more close-ups, so don't be too sad. But here is the third and final back that you can get, like the artwork. They did 2 sets of each character, so I opened Monica and Rex.
Are you dumb?
I think she's dumb. I think she's dumb.
Are you?
And they each had, I have it on my wall. Rex was with Glitch because they're dating. I know in my Rex video I said that Ash and Rex should be together, but then I saw a Reddit post. I was like, Glitch and Rex, I ship them. They're definitely a thing. I don't need any fucking evidence. That is so true, and I am going with that. I think Rex is a bisexual king. So, period. Okay.
I am not gay. I am not gay. I am not gay.
But Carla and Monique are together on the back, and then we have Zoe and Dia on the back together. So basically when I get Carla, when I unbox Carla, she's also gonna have Monique on the back. When I open Zoe, she's also gonna have Dia on the back. And when I open Glitch, she's gonna have Rex on the back. So you can only get the 3. So if you buy 3 dolls, except obviously, so if you, I'm saying this so fucked up. It doesn't really matter. You guys just want to see me unbox. Even though I really want to stay on camera because I feel... Guys, I feel kind of Gorgina right now.
Miss Jackson.
Oh my god. Okay, let's get to the unboxing, shall we? Okay, here we have Miss Dia. Here is the back. One more time, Zoe and Dia. I think Zoe and Carla are dating after Dakota said that Carla also reminds him of an alien. I don't know. Zoe's not a human. Can we all agree that Zoe's not a human? Thank you. Zoe is definitely an alien. And I think Carla is her alien girlfriend too. Guys, okay, it's about Dia. Dia. I actually love Dia. A lot of people were shitting on her when the leaks first came out of all the promo photos. I really like her. I've always really been about her. Here she is. There's going to be a ring light, little glare, but here she is. We'll obviously get more close-ups once I take her out, which we're going to do. And let's just get started. Also, Dia is also a fashion design focus. I think they're all fashion design focuses. So that's why I'm so confused if this is actually Shadow High Series 2. I don't fucking know. Is it actually Shadow High Series 2? I think it is. Doesn't matter. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, kikicollectz, with the Z, you guys would know that I have been talking a lot about Shadow High and just how much I absolutely adore Shadow High. I own every single Shadow High doll. Glitch is still in the mail, but I basically have her since I bought her. But oh my gosh, she's so cute. I love that she has a different makeup palette. Don't like that we have another set of the same brushes over and over again. I wish they were a little bit different. I hate that her stand is that solid color. It's not the glitter. Makes me really upset, but oh my gosh. I'm obsessed with Dia. I literally was like, oh my god, I'm so obsessed with her. Especially because she has that purple skin. I think that's why. Look at how gorge. Oh my god. Yes, I know that tinsel in the hair is annoying for some people. I am not that type of person. Honestly, I like tinsel, and I think that's really controversial. That for doll collectors, a lot of doll collectors hate tinsel, and I really like tinsel. So, that's why I feel like I am very different a lot of the times. Like, I saw a post of someone taking the tinsel out of Dia's hair, and I think Zoe's hair. I think they're the two that have tinsel in their hair this time around. Jesus Christ. And I don't know, that stuff doesn't really bother me. I actually, like I said, I quite like it on certain characters. Like I feel like characters like Abby from Monster High and Cleo from Monster High, like it makes their like part of their character, you know, like especially with Cleo being like royalty. And I think of I think of Abby, you know, being from the Himalayan mountains and just being like and this ice queen. Like it makes a lot of sense in my mind, I guess, but you know, people don't like it. And with Dia's character, I feel like she's a lot of glitter. Ooh, crunchy. I will have a lot of fun taking that out. Okay, let's start getting her out. But that's just my personal opinion. But speaking of Monster High, I know I brought this up in my Rex video, but and I've been talking about it a lot on Instagram too, which is one of the reasons why I'm gonna cut these already. I'm sorry. I don't know. I used to not cut these off like when they were connected. That's the exact reason why I hate cutting. I hate that they put the little zip ties, can you guys even see it, on their clothes, because now there's a hole right there. Brilliant. Love that. Definitely did not just piss me off. But I've been talking a lot about how I don't know how long G3 Monster High is going to last. And that's really sad because I don't want Monster High to go away again. I want Monster High to stay. But I feel like I am among some of the people who are realistic. I feel like a lot of people who talk about, who love Monster High, talk about G3 are unrealistic in certain aspects. Like, so the Skulltimate Secrets, those dolls are coming out. I'm only going to get Frankie and Draculaura and possibly Cleo, just those three right now, and leave Claudine and Laguna because I'm just not the biggest fan of them. I'm not blown away like I was when I saw the promo photos. I'm like seeing people, you know, y'all know that I'm a hater. I've been watching some reviews and I'm just like, I feel like a lot of people are like, oh, underwhelmed. They're like, oh, these are cute dolls, but they're underwhelmed. Whereas when I look at Shadow High, every single review I've been seeing about, even if it's not all the dolls in this collection in Series 2, people are loving Shadow High right now, and especially for the price. And I keep bringing that up, the price. Skulltimate Secrets is $30, and what you're really paying $30 for, instead of, oops, oh my god, I just untied her shoe. Oopsies. Wait, was she not bolted in the head? Why was she not bolted in the head, but fucking Rex was? That's stupid. Okay. They really made her little bob look really white in the promo photos, but it's coming off way more blue than anything. I kind of want to cut it. A lot of people have been like, I want to cut it shorter. I think I might.
Next time you fucking put a hand on me, I'm gonna fucking rip your face off, bitch.
She is out of the box. Oh my gosh. Could she... I could...
I'm back in the fucking building again! Oh!
Stand her on her own because of her boots. Oh my god. Wait. Oh wait, maybe not. Maybe it was just that pose. I don't know what I did. I don't know. I'm a little bit nervous for Monster High. Oh, Monster High's future as of right now with G3. It's just, I think what they should be doing is putting their money into their collector dolls, because those are hitting way more than G3 in my opinion. But who knows? Watch me get the Skulltimate Secret dolls, and I'll be like, guys, dolls. I pissed myself off. Okay.
Shut up, you little prick. That pissed me off, you know.
Oh, she's so cute. Okay. But I hate the stand. Oh, she's so cute. God, she's so stunning. I love the underneath part. This like glitter part. I love what people have been doing for it. And with it, oh, okay, let's check. Neck is good. Let's check. Ooh, a little pop. Ooh, there's a little pop there. I was saying with what's his face, Rex, that I really wish they that they had him gave him a little thing so he could hold his Gatorade thing, but it's whatever. I do really like these sunglasses. Oh my, to y'all that are shitting on her, get a fucking life because you wish you could be her. Okay. She came with so much, honestly. Okay. So I think it's really cool that she came with this makeup palette because it has a little mirror. Hi, you guys can see my ring light and my camera. You guys are looking dead at yourself. This is like, it kind of reminds me of the James Charles Morphe palette. And then it says Shadow High on the front. Right, and then the brushes are the same as Monique's brushes that she came with in the Rainbow Divas. They're just recolored in white. Very basic. And then the little cup that she's holding, I absolutely love. It says SH around it. It's black. It has a little straw and then a clear top. And she can easily just put it in her hand. And then I really like these sunglasses. I think they're one of the Pacific Coast Dolls glasses recolored. I can't remember who. But it has Shadow High, SH, little design on it with different colors. I'm just going to pop that right back onto her head. She's so, so cute. Fuck. Here she is, you guys. There's a little sunglasses on her head. Oh, I'm obsessed. I am absolutely obsessed. Like, look at the way that it's like, it's not very soft, the tights. They are hard because all the glitter, like if that makes sense. There's her ankle monitors. Thank you, Dakota, for that joke. Yeah, so she has like these little like pocket purse things on her boots, but I think the boots are really cute. And a cute little detail is on the back, which I know it's kind of hard to see. On the back, you can literally take these out. These straps are real, and you could take these off. It's supposed to be like a knockoff Guess type of thing. But yeah, and then the stand, you guys can see the color. But oh my gosh, I really like her shorts too. They're like holographic, and you guys know I love a good pocket sticking out. The pockets are real. She can't put her hands in it. And then the pockets on her jacket are also real. And this thing is fully lined. Oh god. It is lined. There's no cool design on the inside. Like, usually they'll do like a spin off of the Dior like liner on the inside, but I think, I don't know what it's, I don't know. I'm not that good on high-end fashion. Usually it's pretty recognizable if it's like very popular, but I don't know if her jacket is actually a spin on anything right now, but oh, not her glasses, sorry. If I can show you guys, she has these earrings and they say Shadow High on them. And also just look at her makeup and her eyes. You guys, she is so beautiful. She is simplistic and beautiful. And I think a lot of restyling can look really, really good on her. I know with the short hair, maybe not so much, but you could definitely reroute her and she could just be absolutely stunning because this face and the skin color are to die for. And I think going with white really makes her pop up against everybody. And yeah, I am absolutely obsessed. All right, you guys, that was our Dia review. I actually forgot to show you guys the hangers. They are the same color as the stand, so nothing too special, but just wanted to show you guys. And I like that they come with hangers too. But yeah, there you guys have it. That was Miss Dia. Here's another close-up. I'm just obsessed. Oh my god! She has a hoodie too. I didn't even realize. Can you guys see? She has a little hoodie. I didn't even realize she had a hoodie on. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about her down below. Let me know what you guys think about, honestly, every doll in the Shadow High Series 2 line. Favorites, least favorites, and if you guys are going to be getting her or not. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!